Hello and welcome to our channel, where we explore everything and beyond. In today's video, we'll be diving into Tryton, a Python-based ERP software. Before we start, a quick note: this is not a review or comparison video. In this series, we'll focus on the technical aspects of Tryton, and this video serves as the introduction. So, let's get started. First, a bit of backstory. I'm going to state the obvious, but it's key to understanding my approach to Tryton. No matter how experienced a programmer you are, the first thing you notice when working with any software is the user interface. It's the first clue that the installation is working. You don't start by looking at the code or documentation, those come later. In the case of Tryton, the interface is, let's say, very conservative. Naturally, my first questions were: can we customize it? How complex is it? How does it actually work? And that curiosity led me to experiment with Tryton. Quick clarification: Tryton has two clients, a desktop client and a web client. In this series, we'll focus only on the web client. In theory, anything that can use JSON-RPC over HTTP/HTTPS can connect to the Tryton server. For this experiment, I'm using TypeScript and Vue, along with PrimeVue and supporting tools like VS Code, Vite, and the Sockeye template from PrimeVue to make development easier. With the setup ready, we can now focus on Tryton itself. By the end of this series, my goal is to help you understand how Tryton works and, more importantly, how to customize it. Keep in mind, this is an ongoing experiment, so what you see in the next video may look different, but I'll explain every step along the way. So far, I've managed to create a client that demonstrates the login process. Basic RPC queries implemented in the RPC tester, model inspector, view inspector, and record browser. Rendering views and components according to the view definitions, using PrimeVue components. And that's it for now. If you want to see more, please subscribe to the channel, like, and share this video with your friends and colleagues. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.